The sleep crisis. Why you're tired, sick, and stuck, and how to fix it. Every night, millions of people close their eyes, but never truly rest. We're living through a global sleep crisis, and most of us don't even realize it. Today, nearly 1 in 3 adults worldwide don't get enough sleep. In the United States, over 70 million people suffer from chronic sleep problems. And sleep deprivation isn't just about feeling groggy. It's silently fueling obesity, heart disease, diabetes, depression, and even early death. In the past, sleep was sacred. Cultures respected rest as a vital part of life. But in our 24/7 modern world, sleep has become an afterthought, a luxury, not a necessity. Here's the hard truth. Sleep is not optional. It's foundational. And when we ignore it, our bodies and minds slowly begin to break down. Let's start with the science. Sleep isn't just shutting off. It's an active process, a nightly reset that repairs cells, clears toxins from the brain, balances hormones, and stores memories. During deep sleep, the brain shrinks slightly to allow cerebrospinal fluid to flush out waste proteins, including beta amyloid, the same protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Sleep also regulates ghrelin and leptin, hormones that control hunger. When you're sleep deprived, ghrelin spikes, making you hungrier, and leptin drops, making you feel less full. The result? Cravings, overeating, and weight gain. A 2004 study from the University of Chicago showed that people who slept only 4 hours a night for 2 nights had a 24% increase in hunger and appetite, especially for high-carb, high-calorie foods. And it's not just about food. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system. One study found that people sleeping less than 6 hours per night were 4 times more likely to catch a cold than those getting 7 or more. Poor sleep also affects the heart. A major European study with over 500,000 participants found that getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night was linked to a 20% higher risk of heart attack. And the brain? That's where the damage really shows. Sleep-deprived teens are more likely to perform poorly in school, engage in risky behaviors, and suffer from mental health issues. Why is this happening? It's not just busy schedules, it's screen stress, caffeine, and culture. Blue light from phones and laptops tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, suppressing melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Caffeine, even in the afternoon, can delay your ability to sleep by up to 6 hours. And modern life glorifies hustle. We wear sleep deprivation like a badge of honor, as if exhaustion equals productivity. But here's a real-world example. Meet Daniel, a 42-year-old tech consultant. He worked 12-hour days, often fell asleep with his laptop on his chest, and relied on coffee to survive. Over time, he developed high blood pressure, gained weight, and struggled with memory. It wasn't until he collapsed from exhaustion at work that he was diagnosed with severe sleep apnea and chronic sleep deprivation. Changing his sleep habits, not medication, transformed his life. The good news is sleep can be healed. Here's how. 1. Create a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Even on weekends, this trains your internal clock. 2. Limit screens 1 to 2 hours before bed. Use blue light filters or switch to reading a physical book. Dim the lights. Signal to your body that it's nighttime. 3. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine has a half-life of up to 6 hours. That late afternoon coffee might be the reason you're tossing and turning. 4. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Ideal sleep temperature, around 65 or 18 degrees Celsius. Use blackout curtains, white noise machines, or earplugs if needed. 5. No large meals or alcohol before bed. Heavy digestion or alcohol can disrupt deep sleep cycles. 6. Exercise, but not too late. Regular physical activity improves sleep quality. Just avoid vigorous workouts right before bedtime. 7. Try mindfulness or journaling. Stress is a major sleep killer. A simple gratitude journal or 5-minute breathing exercise can calm the nervous system. And if none of that helps, get evaluated for sleep disorders like insomnia, restless leg syndrome, or sleep apnea. Countries like Finland and Singapore have launched national sleep campaigns. Schools in California are starting later so teens can get more rest. And more companies are embracing sleep-friendly cultures, recognizing that well-rested people are more focused, healthier, and creative. Sleep isn't the enemy of success. It's the foundation of it. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, clear-headed. Your heart, brain, and body in sync. Your immune system strong. Your mind balanced. That future isn't a fantasy. It's one good night away. So tonight, choose rest. Choose recovery. Because every great day starts the night before.